हेलो स्टूडेंट। लास्ट लेक्चर्स में हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था डिस्प्लेसमेंट के बारे में। अब हम करेंगे डिस्कशन स्पीड के बारे में। सो स्पीड द फिजिकल क्वांटिटी which gives idea about how fast or slow a body is moving is called speed. It means speed is a physical quantity which gives idea about how much fast or slow a body is moving during its motion. Generally, in mathematical way, speed is defined as distance moved per unit time is called speed. So its formula, speed is equals to distance upon time taken to move that distance. Okay, now speed is a scalar quantity speed is a scalar quantity and the SI unit of speed is meter per second, and in CGS system its unit is centimeter per second. Just take an example. A body move for a distance of 20 meter in 5 seconds. Find speed of body. So in given question, distance is given as 20 meter, time is given as 5 seconds. We need to find out speed of the body. So speed is equals to distance upon time. Result is 20 meter divided by 5 seconds. Answer is 4 meter per second. So speed of the body during its motion is 4 meter per second. Now we are going to discuss about type of speed. So during its motion, body has uniform speed. First point is uniform speed. It means if ratio of distance moved by body and their time interval remains constant, speed of body will be uniform. It means that if body is moving through some distances and the ratio of distance and their respective time remains constant, then body is moving with uniform speed. Just see an example. Point A, point B, and this is point C. Suppose body moves from A to B and this distance is 50 meter and time taken by body to move from A to B is 5 seconds. Okay, this is time. And from B to C this distance is 30 meter and body is taking time of 3 seconds to move from B to C. Then ratio, that's when speed from A to B, is equals to distance of A to B, that is given as 50 meter, and time to A to B is 5 seconds. Result is 10 meter per second. Okay, now see, speed from B to C is equals to distance moved from B to C is 30 meter and divided by time is 3 seconds, that is 10 meter per second. See, speed in both cases from A to B and B to C are equal, so body is moving with uniform speed. Your body has uniform speed. Just next is non-uniform speed. If distance and their time ratio is not constant, then body has non-uniform speed. Just see, body moves from A to B 50 meter distance, this is point A, this is point B, and body is moving from A to B 50 meter in 5 seconds, and from B to C body moves 100 meter in next 5 seconds. So speed from A to B is equals to 50 meter divided by 5 seconds, and answer is 10 meter per second. Now speed from B to C is equals to 100 meter divided by 5 seconds, and its result is 20 meter per second. See, ratio of distance and time from A to B and B to C is not equal, so body has non-uniform speed. It means generally we say that a body has traveled unequal distances in equal interval of time, then body has non-uniform speed. A body is moving equal distances in equal interval of time, then body has uniform speed. Next one is instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed, speed of the body at an instant or at a particular time is called instantaneous speed. For example, at 9 a.m. a bus was moving with 10 meter per second, and at 10 a.m. its speed was 20 meter per second. So at 9 a.m. a particular speed is of 10 meter per second. This is instantaneous speed. That's mean speed at 9 a.m. and this one is speed of the bus at 10 a.m. Okay, and meter per second can be converted into kilometer per hour, and speed is also measured in kilometer per hour generally with the help of speedometer. So 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 1000 meter divided by 60 minute in a hour multiplied with 60 second in a minute. So it is 5 by 18 meter per second. So 1 kilometer per hour, 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. Now in next lecture we will discuss about average speed. Here we have discussed about speed, uniform speed, non-uniform speed and instantaneous speed, and one thing more is average speed. So we will discuss lots of things about average speed in our next lecture. Thank you.